Bro, if you're not claiming this free airdrop, you're seriously sleeping on free money. Today I'm showing you how to grab the XOS Airdrop, no payments, no risk, just free tokens on Solana's first Layer 2. XOS is a new Layer 2 project built on Solana, designed to make Solana even faster and cheaper for GameFi, DeFi, and Web3 dApps. It's like Arbitrum or Optimism, but for Solana. They're running a points-based airdrop system. You collect points now, and those will be converted into XOS tokens when they launch. The more points you get, the more tokens you earn. So first things first, go to the description of this video. I've dropped the invite link there. Copy that link, and then open either the Kiwi browser or Mises browser on your phone. Once you paste the link and open it, the XOS site will load up like this. Now, you'll see a button that says Redeem Code. Go ahead and tap on that. Right after that, it'll ask you to connect your wallet. You'll see a few options, but I personally use MetaMask. Just tap MetaMask, approve the connection, and you're in. Now, once your wallet is connected, the site will show your dashboard. Here, you need to connect your Twitter account. Super quick, just log in and approve. And do the same for their Discord. Hit join and boom, that part's done. Next up is the check-in section. This is the easiest part. Just tap once every day to claim your points. That's it. No gas, no fees, nothing complicated. And you're all set. You don't have to do anything else. But if you want to earn even more points, you can grab your referral link from here. And start sharing it with your friends. The more people you invite, the more bonus points you'll stack. Just remember, points equals XOS tokens. So the more points you collect now, the bigger your airdrop later. And if anything changes or new updates come up, don't worry. I'll drop another video to keep you fully updated. So stay tuned, bro.